Israel's economy is bleeding, and the timing couldn't be worse here. You're watching TimesXP. It's me, Frithiyatri. While Netanyahu hatches plan for Iran, the country's port in Iliad is facing a catastrophic collapse. So here's what's happening here. Houthi rebels in the Red Sea have stuck Israeli shipping really hard. The result? Revenues that were once $74 million a year. It has now come down to almost zero. Traffic is frozen, operations are halted, and Israel's key gateway for trade is essentially shut down. Ships are turning away. Major operators like NYK and Zim, they are diverting their vessels. Well, this is not just a local problem. It's a global sign of instability. Let me tell you why this matters more than money. The Red Sea is a strategic corridor. Iliad connects Israel to international trade. Its freeze ripples across logistics, energy, and supply chain. Here, analysts warn that if tensions escalate with Iran, the economic fallout could be massive and prolonged. And yes, the political angle, how can we forget that? As Israel reels economically, Netanyahu is reportedly planning military actions against Iran. Missiles, bases, strategies, all while trade grinds to a halt at home. In the meantime, the US is watching and it is vowing for action. President Trump has promised very strong action over Iran's internal protest. That adds another layer of pressure here. Israel's economy now intersects with potential regional war. Can you imagine that? Ports idle, ships diverted, revenue gone, military tensions rising, and global powers preparing for the fallout here. It's a perfect storm. And Israel is standing right in the eye of it. Let me conclude this for you, ladies and gentlemen, from $74 million to almost nothing. From trade hub to virtual ghost port. Israel's economy is hurting, and while Netanyahu plans strike against Iran, the world is watching to see if a war brings recovery or disaster.